Do not allow the moho and moisture to destroy the walls of your house. With just a few components, you can create a super cheap homemade waterproofing that hardware stores owners don't want to tell you about. To begin, in an aluminum canteen, we will pour a little bit of diluent. With a jet, it will be more than enough. Then, we will take a large piece of polystyrene and we will break it up little by little inside the canteen. The diluent will slowly dissolve the polystyrene. The polystyrene must be cut into pieces small enough so that the diluent can dissolve it evenly. As you add the pieces of polystyrene, you will notice how it begins to dissolve, creating a homogeneous mixture. It is important to do it slowly and carefully to prevent lumps from forming. The next thing we will need is conventional powder glue. In my case, I will use white glue diluted in water, but you can use the one that comes in the form of gel. This glue is essential because it acts as an agglutinant agent, ensuring that the mixture adheres firmly to the surfaces. By combining these ingredients, the results of waterproofing are excellent. Next, we will use a roll of conventional paint, and we will apply this mixture on the concrete where moisture and moss abound. It is essential to make sure that the surface is clean and dry before applying the mixture. In this way, the adhesion will be optimal and the effectiveness of the waterproofing will be maximum. We will apply twice for greater absorption and durability. The first coat must be applied evenly and let it dry completely before applying the second coat. This second application will guarantee greater protection against moisture and prolong the useful life of the waterproofing. Once it is dry, we will test by pouring water so that you can see how the water slips over the solution. This test is vital to confirm that the waterproofing is working correctly and that there are no weak spots where the water can leak. After finishing, you can cover with paint as usual, and you will never again suffer from moss and moisture on the walls. Painting on the waterproofed surface not only improves the appearance of your walls, but also adds an additional layer of protection against moisture. If you made it this far, leave the phrase below, "0 leaks," so I will know that you watched the video until the end. And if it's the first time you've seen one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.